Welcome to our screencast on division of whole numbers. I suppose we have been leading up to this all along. So let's take a look at division of whole numbers. This screencast will concern itself with what it means to talk about 21 divided by 7. What does that mean? So it is a third grade standard to be able to talk about 21 divided by 7 as there are 21 objects, and we're going to make 7 equal shares of them. How many objects are in each share? This is a third grade standard. So this is, there are 21 stickers and 7 kids are going to share them. How many stickers does each kid get? There are 21 cookies and 7 people at the party. How many cookies does each person get? So we could talk about the repeated subtraction model, because maybe division is hard for your student, but subtraction isn't. We can take 7 away from 21, and then we can take 7 away from that, and then we can take 7 away from that, and now we're out of cookies. So how many times did we do that? We did that 3 times. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. This is the repeated subtraction model. It is also totally normal to have a set of 21 objects, 21 objects. Let's see how I did with that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, miscounted. Nope, that's definitely 12. That's 21. 21 objects. Wonderful. And so we make, here's a set of 7, and here's a set of 7, and here's a set of 7. There are 3 sets, so 21 divided by 7 is 3. We've got that idea going on. We could look at it, oh, too early. We could look at it as, ooh, fancy. We could look at that as, here are 21 objects. And we want to make 7 sets of them. Well, we can do that if each set has 3 objects in each set. This goes back to the third grade standard. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. This is the set model. So there's nothing complicated here, and it drives home some of the things that we've said in other models. Oh, still too early for that. One other way to look at this. 21 divided by 7 is something. So division may be hard, but multiplication may not be. 7 times something is 21. What we're looking for is the missing factor. We're looking for the missing factor. 7 times something is 21. What is that something? Well, that something is 3, so 21 divided by 7 is 3. This is the sort of thing that third graders and fourth graders are doing in schools across the country. So these are all of the ways we want to explain division to young people as a concept. And so they're all the ways I want you to understand division as a concept.